understand.
What's poppin'? Hex Crazy with another video, and today we're here with a computer build. So I'm at my boy and Isaac's house. So this is the computer wizard, the man himself, who's gonna be building it today. And without further ado, let's get into it. So before we start, I just wanna share a little message from our sponsor from Keep. So without them, I'll be losing everything, my keys, my card, everything. So in this little box that you get from Keep, you can go on mykeep.com and you get this pouch that goes on the back of your phone, and you can hold your keys, credit card, everything on the back of your phone. Use code Hector10 and you get one at a discount. Alright, so right now we're like halfway through the build. I don't even think halfway. We're in the motherboard right now. Just a quick heads up, the budget for this build was around $2,500. It was a pricey build. I know some of you are going to come at me crazy in the comments, but I paid like over $1,000 for the 3080. I paid over $1,000 for this build to be possible. For one part. And also, that's not including the keyboard, headset, monitor, mousepad, mouse, all those accessories. Together, the build was well over $3,000, including like the monitor, everything. But for the PC alone, it's pretty pricey. Anyone can do it. Anyone can build a PC, except for me, because Antonio's doing it for me. But you can probably see him in the back building it. But back to it.
Cadence.
So we are almost done getting the PC built. There's a lot of cords. Also for the 3080, we don't have another blue cable. So it's gonna be black and blue. That's how it's gonna go. Probably look nice. Also, the 3080 is so big that it barely fits in the case. Barely fits in the case. You can see Antonio's setup right behind it. It barely fits, like this much from the fan. But let's go with the B-roll. Alright, we just finished the PC build, or Antonio did. And now we gotta go to my house to set it up. You see it in the background, which Antonio cute. But look, we got it in the background. We gotta go to my house, set it up with the keyboard, mouse, everything, and we're done. So let's go. heck, Swayze, it's the next day. I was tired. I slumped. But, we got the computer done. A real cool thing. The cool thing is, like, in game when you're dying, the whole keyboard will turn red. So will, inside here turn red. And as soon as I heal up, it'll turn green. And now that turns green. We missed it to turn green, but, I think that's really cool. When you need to press a button, the button also glows as well. Shows you which button to press. I think that's really cool. So the cool thing is this keyboard changes colors based on the game. So this game's color is gold and white. And look, the RAM changes colors gold and white. So dope. The fans aren't on for the game. But it's making some noise because we're on Metro Exodus. We're running it at 1440p ultra settings, so max graphics. But I mean, let's get into some gameplay. Alright guys, so the first game up is Metro Exodus, and we're running this at 1440p. Amazing game, amazing graphics. Now this is a story-based game, and the one reason I wanted to show you guys this game today is because of the amazing ray tracing. The reflections in the water, the scenery, everything comes together to make this game a great game. Now I'm just showing you here just one side story out of the many side stories this game has. So the objective in this one is we're trying to find a way out of here, and the only way out is to go around and open the door. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this amazing gameplay, fun gameplay, and yep, enjoy. This next game we're playing is Bigfoot, and this is a favorite for me. We're running this on epic settings, which is the highest it can go. Max settings for 1440p, of course. This game ran so good, so smoothly. All the colors, the sunset, everything looked phenomenal. It was perfect. So in this gameplay, I'm just showing you some of the many features you can use in this game, such as cameras. You can even use drones, flare gun. This game has numbers and numbers of things you can do. It's amazing. You can play co-op with up to 4 friends and try to find Bigfoot on your own. So like I said, this gameplay is just me showing all of the cool features of this game and even shooting at Bigfoot towards the end. But I'll let you guys enjoy this gameplay. So the next game we have to play here is Roblox, and many of you are wondering, why are you using a 3080 to play Roblox? Well, listen, I just wanted to show you guys some games on Roblox don't even look like Roblox, and how the 3080 handles these amazing graphics so smoothly and so well. I've picked 3 games on Roblox that visually look amazing, absolutely amazing with this 3080. And I hope you enjoy this gameplay of how well, how smooth, and how gorgeous some of these games do look. I mean, trust me, these do not look like anything compared to the regular games we see on Roblox at all. They look completely astonishing. But I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this clip. It's about 30 seconds left, and it will show you the great lighting effects in this next game. For the last game here, we have Battlefield 5. Now, this is one of my all-time favorite games. I absolutely love Battlefield. And this game right now, I will tell you this now, has the best graphics hands down. I mean, look for yourself. This looks absolutely amazing. For this gameplay, I'm just taking you through a bit of some features such as tanks, ground combat, everything. I mean, it was my first time playing this game and playing this video. I'm a little rusty, but it looked great. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the clips.
I'm dying! Please, I need help! I'm fucking dying here, medic! Objective Able has now been lost.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I had a lot of fun with this build. Computer runs great. I would definitely recommend for everyone to build a computer. Everyone. I mean, it's way better than console. Way better. Way better. But I appreciate you guys for watching, sticking around. Make sure you like, subscribe, go comment, do what you gotta do. It takes 1 second. Show some love. Other than that, peace out.